Hi there! Today I have a mini haul from Amazon, but the things I got are from the Amazon haul. So once you get your Amazon app, there, you press on the Amazon app and go here at the top where it says haul. It opens a nice little window with different type of options here. So I went and I did some shopping. I already have some more stuff in my cart, and I'm looking for craft supplies mainly. Here, my favorite scissors. I love scissors. I have a small collection of them and it's growing bigger. So all these little things that I'm looking at, and let's say you can go in the search button and let's say yarn, and here I've been looking at this yarn for making amigurumi here, and look at the colors they have. Such a great little thing. So I really like this idea. And already in my cart I put few things for my sewing machine. This is something I found interesting, different feet for my sewing machine, and it's a Singer, so it has this type of leg thingy to go in. So I thought it was very interesting. For my journaling, I found those little stamps and all these little things that you know, look like fun. This is my saved for later options. So yeah, so let's see what I got. First, I got some bamboo knitting needles, like for socks. They come in a set of 5, I think. Yeah, there. 5, and they're all different sizes. I already have a set, but they're always handy when I, you know, have a work in progress that I never finish. So I have more knitting needles for other projects. So I thought this was a really good thing to have. I'll leave links for everything down below. So I will appreciate if you use them. Even if you don't use them, use somebody else's that have them. It really helps any creator with those affiliate links. They're, you know, they don't cost anything to you, but they give a very good motivation to the creator, and a couple of cents here and there. These are bag clips, like you crochet the bag or you knit the bag and it goes on top, and then this is the opening for the bag. I've been looking at those granny square crocheted bags, and I've been, you know, itching my hands to make one. So now that I have this opening, it's gonna be really fun to make. And these are 9 inches, yeah, 9.5 almost. So it's gonna be a decent size of bag. Then I got this set of knitting needles that are 120 centimeters, or in inches that is 47 inches. The cable is long, and they also come with a needle here. It's usually with a big, yeah, it's like a tapestry needle, and like the medium size. I already have a set of needles like that, but again, when they're in a project, I need a second set, and these are great for making like when you have to work 2 at a time, like socks or sleeves. I like working them 2 at a time. And again, the cable here is actually metal that it's covered in plastic, and they're very, very comfortable. I already have one set, but I'm so happy with those. I couldn't pass the option of getting another set. And they are, how many of them? They're quite a lot. Let me check my order. My order says, oh, I cannot see it here quickly. All right, 11 different sizes. Yeah, that sounds about right. I think my old set was two, again the same. But look at those, amazing. I love having those multiple sets. So they're very lightweight, and the cable is good. I had mine for some time now, and they're still lasting and going strong. And look at this, a whole set. Then I got a pencil case that can stand up. I wanted something different than I've never had this one, not even in school. So I thought it's really cool when you fold it just like this. Oh, these are surprised, these little pockets here. But when you have something like this, they can stay. And I can have my crochet hooks even. Maybe I should get one more for my journaling markers and highlighters. And look at this cute color. It says travel season. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care about that. But having something like this, I thought it will be interesting. Then I got a magic backpack, and it's quite small. When we travel, I wanted to have something as a backup bag. When you have like extra in your luggage and they want to charge you like $1 million, you can pull up something like this, and you can have a backpack or any bag that can fold really small, and it has pockets. Let's see, it has a front pocket too. It's quite a decent size. I mean, like a school bag, but it's very thin. It's very thin and lightweight, which was the whole idea behind it. It doesn't want to take a lot of space. Oh, and it's a convertible. You can make it into a bag if you want to. Just this way. Anyway, I'll figure it out. But I thought it was a good option. Let's see. The packaging actually describes how to make it from, yeah, I think you turn it inside out and it's gonna make it into a tote bag. And these are the sizes. 37 by 45 centimeters. Well, this is something very useful for me, at least. Then I got two makeup it's a mirror with little brushes, so I thought it was cute. It's portable, so you can take it anywhere with you. It's cool. I like it. Then I got a bunch of stickers for my journals. My other hobby is journaling, so look how cute are those. And I'll leave my other channel, actually more stuff I put on Instagram than the YouTube channel, but I do have a journaling YouTube channel too. Then I got some scissors, you know, my little obsession of scissors. So here they are, so pretty. Okay, they cut very well. And they're quite a decent size for your fingers. Oh, I love them. It says European classical style scissors. All right, so pretty. So these two should be this. No, they're slightly, no, they're the same. This one is a little bit different. It's a little bit heavier. And these are scissors as well that you can throw in your purse, like, oops, They're so cute. But, you know, for something quick, they have a spring here. All right, and you can hang them just like this. Oh, it's amazing. Next, I got these brushes with a silicone tip. Actually, I got them for those lip balms. You know how I don't want to stick my finger in them, so I can, you know, grab a little bit of a lip balm and then just spread it on my lips without, you know, getting your hands dirty or putting your dirty fingers in the lip balm. So they come like in a set of 6, which was great. And look at different colors, so you can use them quite a lot. And they have a lid, that's what I liked. You can carry them together. Then I got some dressmaking pencils, different colors when I'm sewing, and it came with this ruler here. I'm not sure how to use it, but it has, I guess, for seam allowance here, measuring 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters. So it, you know, you have to just make the inches yourself, and you can just hang it here on some kind of like a keychain. But I thought it was, I actually need that. This was an extra, but I wanted to have different colors. I have a blue, but when I have like dark colors, I have to use the big chalk, and I cannot make those little tiny marks. So I thought this was a nice thing to have. Then a little tool for grabbing little gems and beads for making jewelry. Then I got a paper clip, so when I'm working on my journal, I can keep it open like this, like these traveler notebooks paper clips. But it's so pretty with that butterfly and a book in the back and that rose. So pretty, just like that. And at last but not least, I got these little paper clips. Then you actually put in your on your journal or a planner, and then you can attach a pen like this, which I thought was pretty smart, because not all my notebooks have a pen holder. So, and this little heart, so cute. So that's why I like that option, and it comes in a multiple for more than one journal. But it was a decent size. I thought it was much smaller. Cute. Oh, I actually have 2 more things. So here is a little folder with little pockets here. I don't know what was it marketed for, but let me see. Oh, it's a jewelry travel storage bags. They market it for jewelry, but I wanted to put here my stickers that I use for my journaling. Yeah, you can put jewelry if you want to, for sure. And it comes with that little button. It's cute. It's very plain. And then the last thing, this is the last thing, is that green garden mat. Actually, I have a couple of pots that I still haven't put anything under, and they're temporarily inside during the winter. But this is a waterproof, supposed to be waterproof. And then when you get the corners like this, it makes like a little you know, protection thing to put on the floor. Or if you work with dirt, you can put it on your table and then just wipe it clean and throw the dirt away or whatever. But you can make it into a little box here. I think I can show it on the camera. But I thought that this will help me keep those pots temporarily during the winter inside, and then I take them outside anyway. And I hope it doesn't let the water out. I'll let you know. But I know, I thought it was a smart idea to have. And then it lays flat when you want to store it. It's, you know, we all have storage problems. And I thought it's going to be great when I don't use it, just to put it away. Like, so that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.